and welcome to an arcade special. So let us start with our today's video. The material that we need are 3 plastic bottles, a rope, a knife, 2 colors, and how cute it is. I have made it with my mother. Wow, it's so cute. I just love it. We have to cut this bottle from here. I have marked it, you can see. Now we have cut it. We will cut the second and third bottle like the same method. Our bottle is done. Now we'll start it to paint. See our 3 bottles? So I am painting this bottle with a blue color. How beautiful it is, isn't it? It is sky blue color, and you can take any color of your choice that you want to do. The color paint is optional. And make sure you have to take a thick brush, not a thin brush. Okay? So that the layers will look perfect. So it has dried, you can see. Yes, it has dried. So we have done our 3 bottles. These are perfect. And no need to do color to that the cap of the blue color bottle if you are doing blue. So this is the red, the middle one is blue. Now we'll make a hole inside it, okay? You can see we have made a hole. Once more time. Now in this bottle we will do. You have to heat the screw and then you have to make a hole in it 2 times. It's a very pretty hole. You can see. In that holes we are inserting the blue one rope in the holes. Like this. Outside to inside and inside to outside. From the middle, from here. So that we can hang it to the wall or anywhere you want. We will do the same in that second and third bottles. To make same, you have to follow the same steps that we have done. You can use acrylic paint or you can use poster colors also, but not watercolors. Otherwise, it will not give good, paint shape. Now the same method we will use in the third bottle, and our bottles are ready. Yes. You can see how beautifully we have inserted the rope. And our 3 bottles with rope are ready, as you can see. Now, the second step, we have to insert a plant in these bottles like this. Okay. Please just make sure that you have to insert a creeper outer or indoor plant. Okay. Now we will put some water in it. We will pour some water in them. Not mitti, mud nahi. Okay. Same method, but थोड़ा सा पानी डालना है, पूरा नहीं भर देना. Now we will do the same method in a third orange bottle. शायद एक एक कर कर क्रीपर्स को इंसर्ट करना. Okay. And see, our plants are ready. They are so beautiful. Wow. So beautiful. If you like the video, please like my channel. Share as much as you can. Hit the bell icon and press all, and subscribe my channel. But don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you not hit, then you will not be able to see my new updates. And thank you.